on structure kama ne okone go weight transition rate and completion rate only. Nitiere gimoluong ni enrollment rate. The government is very silent on. Why is it not that is a government policy? Ne nyithindo ma join, for example, the I level, that is the ECD, then grade 1, then we begin tracking them from that point. What is the enrollment rate? Then after that, as they proceed on at that level, then we ask ourselves, what is their retention rate? Before we get to the point of transition, that is at the end of primary level or the end of comprehensive school level, then we get into secondary school, where we will talk about retention rate after 100% transition. Then when they do the last exam, then we ask ourselves, what is the completion rate? For example, kingi penj manyo team igamokalo mara KCPE. Nyithindo manyo timo KCPE last year, then 1,406,557 candidates. Kingi nyithindo manyo timo KCSE, nyagin 899,452 candidates. The difference, manti nyithindo timo KCPE timo KCSE, and 507,105 students. Kadi put in the KCPE transit all of them because system was a collapse last year. Then we need an extra space of 507,105 to accommodate all the learners manyo KCPE last year. Are those spaces available in our settings, Mark Secondary School, as we speak today? The government is talking about this. We talk about transition rate 100%, but are we talking about the availability of space to allow an extra 507,105 students to be accommodated in secondary schools? If you are to take KCC candidates, Manotimo penj last year, as the space left for new admissions this year. Magi penj maserikal nyaka duoke.
Mane penjo maduong' geno maro ni samoro serikal osechako timo lokruoge ma kamano. Nyalo kara na paro Mama Ngina bende no dar kumentiere jopuonjre koro sani makoro yaw sikul. Mama Ngina dong wange is the only national girls school in Mombasa. Gin bende no space mabende gintiere mabende osebedo kum thuolo malach mabende jonyuol osebedo kalose nano kodar gi kende space mabende na gintiere oter gi kamoro machielo. Nyakoro mga jonga daro mar mondo miasom ote mamoko mabende antiere bange wadhi nyime gi twak makama parni jofwambo magwa bende watamana na luwo ndachgi mar mondo ginyisa ni jopiny bende wacha ang'o kata mna weche mopogore opogore mabende giluwe counties mopogore opogore. Asomone ote mabende osebedo